So now we can use these player stats. So let's add some player stats related events. So if you rest at home, so you can recover your life. So let's do this. So go to this event 01 and here, so rest hut. So first let's create if statement gm.player life not equal gm.player max life. So if player life is not max, let's display this text, and also gm.player life plus plus, and also player update. So let's update this stats. So player life increases here, but we still need to apply the change to the screen. And okay, that's it. And else. So this means player's life is already at max. Copy. So your life is full or something. Let's try this. Okay, let's rest. Okay, increased and increased, and yeah, life is full. Okay, perfect. Okay, then let's take care of this chest. So if you open this chest, then you can get the sword. Look, chest, talk chest, open chest here. So you open the chest and find the sword. I think first we're gonna make this if statement and ask if player has a sword or not. Player that has sword equal 0. Then yeah, player doesn't have sword, so player can get the sword, and gm dot player that has sword equal 1. Also let's update. That's it, I think. And else, that means so you already have the sword. There's nothing inside or something. Okay, let's check it. Right, let's open. Okay, so this sword icon appears, and let's try to open again. There's nothing inside. Okay, then yeah, let's take care of this attacking the guard. So what's gonna happen is, if you don't have this sword, then you cannot defeat this guard, so you just receive damage. But if you have this sword, then you can defeat the guard and get his shield. So where is it? Attack guard here. In the first if statement, we're gonna ask if player has the shield. So that way we can check if player has already defeated this guard or not. Has shield, and if it's 0, then that means player hasn't defeated this guard. And then we're gonna ask another question. If player has the sword 0, so that means player doesn't has the sword, so player receives damage. So hey, don't be stupid. And I'm gonna add a little more text. The guard hit you back and you receive damage, or your life decreases by 1. And player life minus minus, and update, I think gm dot player that update status. Okay, I think. Okay, and I forgot something. We also need to check player's life as well. So if you have only one life, then you're gonna die. So if player life not equal 1, then player has 2 or more life, so yeah, you receive damage, but else if gm.player life equal 1, then you're gonna die. So let's copy what the fool. We're gonna go to the game over screen, but let's take care of that later. Okay, so then let's create another condition. Else if gm.player has sword. So if player has the sword, then you can defeat this guard. Oh shit. Line break. You have defeated the guard and gotten his shield. What a horrible person. Then gm.player has shield equal 1, and let's update player status. I don't know, we are calling this update player status a lot, so I think, but if we place it here, then I think we don't need to call here. And okay, what else? And okay, so if player has the shield, the final question or final condition, so just type it, else just leave me alone. That's it, I think. So this is everything about this attack guard method. Let's check. So attack without sword, then you receive damage. And you died, what a fool, but nothing happens. So and okay, so this time let's get the sword and attack it. Oh shit. Okay, so you have defeated the guard and gotten his shield. Okay, we got shield. And let's attack again. Just leave me alone. Okay. Okay, so I think this first scene is done. So let's move to this second scene. So you can find the lantern here. And if you have the lantern, then you can enter this cave. I think we haven't added anything to this scene too. So yeah. So first let's make another event class. Event 02. Public game manager. Public event 02. Game manager. GM. This GM equal GM. Okay. And what was it? Look cave, talk cave, enter cave. Cave, talk, cave, I think. Enter cave. And also, what is it? Look, loot, talk, loot, search, loot. talk root, I think. And okay, let's add everything to this action listener. So yeah, this is scene 1, scene 2, and look cave gm dot. Okay, so let's instantiate this event 2 as well. In this game manager class. So event 2, wait, event 2. Okay, now we can call this ev2 dot look cave. Okay, and let's add everything. 3, 1, 2, 3. Cave, enter cave, root, talk, root, search, root, I think. Okay, copy. Okay, then let's add all the events here. UI dot message text. It's a cave. Oh no, sorry. Set text. Talk cave. You hear the echo of your voice. And enter cave. Okay, so we're gonna make a if statement later, but for now it's too dark to enter. And look root, there's something at the tree. Talk, they say plant grows well if you talk to, but this tree doesn't look like it needs encouragement. And search root, so this is also need a if statement, but for now you find a runtime. And first let's take care of this one. Enter cave, gm.player.has lantern 0. So if player doesn't have the lantern, then it's too dark to enter. Else. So then we're gonna go to the next location. So scene 3. So yeah, let's do it later. And search root, this one too need if statement. Player.has lantern and what is it? We didn't find anything, but I just realized, so I think it would be better if we add if statement here too, because yeah, it says there's something at the tree. So, or maybe we can change the text. Okay, I think I'm gonna just change the text. So this is a large tree or something. Okay, and also, so if you get runtime, then we need to update player stats, call one layer update. Okay, I think let's check this. All right, let's go, and yeah, it's a cave. It's too dark to enter, and this is a large tree, and such. Yeah, find a lantern. Oops, I forgot to type exclamation mark. Okay, now so we haven't added anything here. The second screen is also kind of dumb, so let's create a final screen, so inside of the cave. Okay, let's go to this UI class, and we're gonna create scene 3 and background number 3, and the image is, what is it, this one, cave. Yeah, so cave 303 700 350, and the object, we're not gonna create any object because this is the final screen and the game ends here. I'm not sure if we should add this hello button. If this is if this game continues, then definitely we need to put an arrow so you can go back to, you can go outside of the cave. But since this is the final screen for this demo, so I think we're just gonna create this background, and that should be fine. And this number is 3. Okay, but yeah, on the second though, let's create this arrow for now, because it's more convenient if we have this arrow for debugging. Yeah, sorry about that. 3 yeah, same, I think. Yeah, same. Yeah, and this one will be ghost scene 2, and also scene changer. Let's add scene 3, so show scene 3, and this case 2 invisible, 3 visible, like this. And okay, let's add some text. Okay, not 4, 3. You enter the cave. What is waiting for you inside? Line break, and this is the end of the demo. Thank you for playing. Yeah, so this is the end for now. Let's check. Oops, we got some null pointer, a UI 77. 77. Create background. Okay, so I think I have mistyped the file name. This one. This must be not JPG, PNG. Yep. Okay. Yeah. Let's get lantern, and let's enter. Oops. Not to, wait. Okay, of course. Yeah, sorry. We haven't added anything here. So enter cave. So, what is it? So we want to think we're just gonna call that method in the scene changer. S changer show scene 3. Let's check this again. What is this? Okay. So show screen 3 and also so we need to make this background 3 invisible and go back to this scene 2. Okay, let's check this. Okay, let's go and get the lantern and so yeah, so we can enter the lantern. we can enter the cave, so we could reach the end of the demo. Okay. Yeah, so the story part is done. So and we haven't created the game over screen yet, so let's take care of that too. So let's create some more UI parts in this UI class. So game over UI, and we're gonna create a JLabel, like a title label, and we're gonna use J button, restart button, and okay. So let's create another method. Create game over field. Okay, then after this player field, public void game over field title label equal new J label. So we're just gonna create like this title label and restart button. Title label set once, and the location is x 200 150 400 no 200 maybe. Title label set foreground font color. Let's choose red, and title label set font. We're gonna use a little bit larger font, and also for this one I'm gonna use this one, Times New Roman. Font dot plain dot size 70. And the default is invisible, and then out window. Okay, this is done, and then restart button. J the position is 340, 320, 120, 50. I'm gonna copy restart button, set border, no, background, no, set foreground, color dot white, font color is white, and sorry, set background, and what else? Focus painted. This is also set. What else? Action listener, add action listener, and gm.a handler, and set action command restart And also this is set visible false. That's everything, I think. And add to this window. Restart button. Whew. Okay. And so when you die, we want to display this stuff. So yeah, let's use this scene changer and add public void show game over screen or something. Let's get the background number. So bj num. Okay, maybe current bg. This means so we want to make the current background invisible, so we can display those game over or click to restart kind of a text. So first ui.bg panel, and so we're gonna use this one and make it invisible. Then we're gonna show the title label set visible true, and let's set some text. So you died. Text is okay, so let's display restart button too. And set text. Set text. What is this? Click here to restart. That's it, I think. And okay, so we have added this action listener to this restart button. So let's take care of this restart action command. Probably here. Okay. Others. Restart. This case. Wait. Just a moment. Let's create another method here first. Public void exit game over screen. Title label set visible false, and restart button set visible false. And also let's call this set player default status. So that means you're gonna restart the game, so let's set the default status again. And okay, so let's go back to this action handler, and so from here restart. First let's call that exit method, exit game over screen. Then gm.scene changer show screen scene 1. I think this is okay. This works. Am I forgetting something? And game over screen. And wait, let me check. What the for? Okay, here. So if you die. So let's call change what is it? Show game over screen. And so we're gonna send background number. So in this case 1. Okay. So let's check it. Okay, let's attack guard. Attack the guard. Yeah. Okay, but we're seeing this. Wait a minute. I think. Maybe I haven't added. No, not this one. BJ panel. Yeah. Why I commented this out? Yeah. So this. Yeah, we need this line. I'm sorry. I don't remember, but it seems I have disabled this line. Yeah. So we want to set all the panel invisible at the start of the game. Yeah, then we're gonna show one by one, by using this scene changer. So that at first we're gonna show this BG panel 1. So yeah, I think this is okay now. Okay, let's try again. Attack. Okay, so you died, and okay, but it's a small adjustment, but I want to place this you died at the center of the screen, so let me add this, this line. Where is it? Title label here. J label dot center. I'm sure this looks better this way. Okay. This looks better. Yeah. Okay, and can we restart the game? Okay, so we can restart the game. So yeah. So yeah, game is basically complete, and what's left is audio. So if you're interested, please keep watching. So next we're gonna add a sound effect and music, and also character voice. And then I think this tutorial will be done. Yeah, so just a little more.